Now let's learn about margins. So the last thing surrounding our elements. So far you have learned about the following components of the box model: content, borders, and padding. So content, padding, and borders, and like I said, the last thing is margin. The fourth and final component of the box model is margin. Margin refers to the space directly outside of the box. The margin property is used to specify the size of this space. So of this space surrounding our box or our element. The code in the example above will place 20 pixels of space on the outside of the paragraphs box on all four sides. This means that other HTML elements on the page cannot come within 20 pixels of the paragraph's border. If you want to be even more specific about the amount of margin on each side of a box, you can use the following properties. Just like we do the paragraph, you do the margin syntax in the same way. So top, right, bottom, left. Each property affects the margin on only one side of the box, providing more flexibility in customization. In the example above, only the right side of the paragraphs box will have a margin of 15 pixels because it is margin right. It is common to see margin values used for a specific side of an element. Set the top margin of P elements to 60 pixels. Let's find the selector for all paragraphs, and so top margin should be 60 pixels. Now we should have even more space. Yes, and we have more space. We have 60 pixels margin, and then you plus have 10 pixels of padding, so 70 pixels in total on top of all paragraph elements. Look at the three red boxes at the bottom of the web page. These elements are anchor elements of class share. Let's find share selector right here. Set these share A elements to have a margin of 10 pixels. And we should set that on the A, share A selector actually. So margin of 10 pixels on all four sides, and pay attention, we should have more space between these buttons. Yep, more space now. Okay, that should be all. Let's proceed to the next one.